guys know what this is? I'm assuming you read the title, but if you can read that, I finally got a 3D printer, and this is just a super simple unboxing video because I need content. I need a thing to open it. I am so pumped. I've never owned a 3D printer. I have used them. This is the Monoprice Delta Mini, if everybody's interested, or if anybody is. Stop! We already have random parts. Nice. Alright. This is the printer. Okay, so that just slides up. Oh! Look at that! Okay, so what is, oh, that's the spool holder. Oh, that just clips in. Like that. Okay. So, this bad boy is this a guy or girl, let me know in the comments, is going to be pretty much the main thing I'm using to print my suits now. So, obviously I can print new hand stuff, because this one was a bit, like, terribly designed. Ready? That was not as satisfying as I thought it was. It's like they put it in the creases and everything. Okay, so we got the SD card loaded in. I do not have any filament because that's showing up later today, but I do want to do a little test. So if we say print, hey, look at that, it does pop up with files. So, okay, so this is the printer so far. Everything's, it was kind of a learning curve to try and figure out how to actually be able to print the stuff on it. I don't know if you can tell, I had a lot of failed prints, and finally I started to figure things out, and I was able to print that, which is a new web shooter. I just printed the whole top of it. Came out really, really clean. This was just the top of it. I printed a batarang. Right there. So that one turned out good as well. Yeah, so far I put that hat on it because at first it wasn't working, but now dummy seems like they're working pretty great. So, yeah.